Having the right camera can completely change the way you capture photos. In this video, we'll be breaking down the top 5 best cameras for photography, so you'll never have to suffer through blurry, low-quality pictures again. The only problem is that the camera might work really well for one person, but not for another because not all cameras are made, especially for photographers, which is why we've broken down the best ones for all kinds of situations. So, no matter what your budget or needs may be, we've got the perfect camera for you. We also have provided the link of each camera below so you can get your hands on them right away. Alright, now let's dive in. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is what you can call an all-rounder. It is perfect for photography, it is also great for videography, and it is also great for vlogging as well. First, let's speak about its body. This hybrid model is perfect for enthusiasts. It has a sturdy and weather-sealed body that can withstand all kinds of weather conditions. The ergonomic design of this camera makes it very comfortable to hold and use, even if you are using it for a longer time. The in-body image stabilization system of the R6 Mark II is very effective, helping you get steady shots even at slower shutter speeds. Now, what really matters in a camera is its sensor, and the R6 Mark II has an outstanding 24.2 full-frame CMOS sensor. It has excellent dynamic range and great low-light noise handling, making it perfect for capturing various photography styles. The autofocus tracking system of this camera is also superb, allowing you to capture action shots with ease. And if you want to capture continuous shots, no problem. With its electronic shutter, the R6 Mark II can shoot up to 40 frames per second. While the price of this masterpiece is on the higher side, it is totally worth it for all the amazing features it offers. Its versatile performance makes it a top choice for both professional photographers and hobbyists alike. If you are serious about your photography, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7RV. The Sony Alpha 7RV takes photography to a whole new level, perfect for professionals who demand nothing but the best. Its 61-megapixel full-frame back-illuminated Exmor-R CMOS sensor captures extraordinary detail, making it ideal for landscape, portrait, and studio photography. What truly sets it apart is its AI-driven autofocus system, powered by deep learning technology, enabling real-time subject recognition and tracking. Whether you're shooting fast-moving subjects or in low-light conditions, the autofocus remains incredibly precise. The powerful Bion's XR engine enhances processing speed by up to 8 times, ensuring rapid image handling even when dealing with large file sizes. Videographers will love the Alpha 7RV's ability to shoot stunning 8K video at 24p or 25p and smooth 4K at 60p, offering exceptional video clarity for cinematic projects. With all these advanced features packed into a compact, mirrorless body, this camera is perfect for both photographers and filmmakers. And yes, it also comes with a premium price tag, but its cutting-edge performance and image quality make it worth every penny. Just imagine when you take out the Sony Alpha 7RV from your camera bag, set it up and start shooting, you'll feel like a true professional. You don't have to worry about limitations with this camera, as it is designed to exceed expectations and deliver stunning results every time. If you really care how your images and videos turn out, the Sony Alpha 7RV is a top choice that won't disappoint. Number 3. Canon EOS R8. If you've ever dreamed of stepping up to full-frame photography, the Canon EOS R8 is the perfect gateway. As Canon's lightest full-frame mirrorless camera, it packs incredible power into a compact, affordable design. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel CMOS image sensor and Digi X image processor, this camera delivers stunning image quality, from sharp details to vibrant colors, even in challenging lighting conditions. The EOS R8's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology offers 1,053 autofocus zones, covering up to 100% of the frame, with deep learning capabilities that detect people, animals, vehicles, and now even planes and trains. It also excels in videography, offering uncropped 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, oversampled from 6K, and full HD at up to 180 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion shots. The built-in OLED electronic viewfinder and vari-angle LCD touchscreen provide an intuitive shooting experience, while its impressive ISO range ensures low noise and high detail, even in dimly lit environments. Whether you're a photographer who wants to take your skills to the next level or a videographer in need of a versatile all-in-one solution, the Canon EOS R8 is an excellent choice. It offers exceptional performance at an affordable price point, making it suitable for those just starting out in the world of full-frame photography and wanting to explore its possibilities. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, this camera is sure to elevate your creativity and produce stunning results every time you pick it up. Number 4. Sony A7 III. The A7 III is another powerhouse from Sony that delivers exceptional performance for both photographers and videographers. With a 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated full-frame Exmor-R CMOS sensor, it offers incredible image quality with a wide dynamic range and low noise, even in challenging lighting conditions. The advanced autofocus system includes 693 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points, covering 93% of the frame for fast, precise focus on your subject. Whether you're capturing portraits or action shots, the A7 III's autofocus tracking is excellent, allowing for sharp images every time. It also shoots at up to 10 frames per second with both silent and mechanical shutter options, giving you flexibility in fast-paced shooting environments. For videographers, the A7 III offers 4K recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, delivering crystal-clear, uncropped footage. The optical image stabilization system works with compatible lenses to provide smooth, stable footage even while moving. With its compact design and impressive performance, the Sony A7 III is a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Nikon D7500. The last camera on the list is not as heavy-duty as some of the others, but the Nikon D7500 packs a serious punch for enthusiasts. Equipped with a 20.9 megapixel CMOS sensor, it excels in low-light conditions while maintaining top-notch image quality. Borrowing features from the award-winning Nikon D500, the D7500 delivers professional-level performance in a more affordable and lightweight package. The 51-point autofocus system, including 15 cross-type sensors, ensures fast and accurate focusing, even in challenging environments. For action photographers, the D7500 shoots at up to 8 frames per second, allowing you to capture every moment with precision. Videographers will appreciate the 4K Ultra HD recording, complete with power aperture control, auto ISO, and time-lapse capabilities, offering flexibility for various shooting styles. Its large, tilting 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen makes composing shots easy, even from difficult angles. Overall, the Nikon D7500 is a versatile and powerful budget camera that caters to both photography and videography needs. So guys, what do you think? Which camera is best? Well, of course, there isn't one clear answer to that question. Each of these cameras brings something unique to the table, from compact design to powerful performance. It ultimately depends on your specific needs as a photographer. If you want to buy any one of these, go down to the description below and click on the link to check out the latest prices and offers. Also, guys, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, charge your batteries, clean your lenses, and happy shooting.